Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Most effective love talisman in the world. It is old centuries love talisman. It is a dangerous spell for love. Spell for deep love spell. For example, ex-back girlfriend, ex-back boyfriend, ex-back wife, ex-back husband. Most effective spell in the world. The girl is gone by cheating you. The husband is gone by cheating you. The wife is gone by cheating you. The lover is gone by cheating you. The girl is leave you forever. The boy is leave you forever. The girl has destroy your feeling, destroy your heart, destroy your times. The girl, you have been eating money. The girl have blocked you. This talisman is back a girl 7 ocean, back a wife 7 ocean, back a husband 7 ocean, back a lover 7 ocean. Most effective love talisman in the world. I do black magic on this bone. Affect the whole world quickly. People from the every country of the world make a magical magic to me. Many people do this procedure with me. It has an immediate effect. Most effective love talisman in the world. If you want to do this work me, so you can contact me on my WhatsApp number plus 923305919192. Please visit my website www.talismiamliyat.com and you can order this talisman. FIVERR ID link in description. Your work is complete 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. Most effective love talisman in the world. I am black magic astrologist and a herbal remedy spellcaster. With my work, you are 100% guaranteed and safe with my spell. I cast the make your spouse come back in 48 hours following. I am spiritual specialist. I help with all kinds of spiritual problems. So you can contact me on my WhatsApp number for any spiritual problems. For example, love problem, love spell, ex-back girlfriend, ex-back boyfriend, ex-back husband, ex-back wife, money spell, marriage spell, court case spell, good luck spell, separation spell, divorce spell, lottery spell, cost out court spell, promotion spell, protection spell, voodoo spell, any spell skilled in all these spell. Most effective spell in the world. So how to make a talisman? Make it boxes and then write in numbers in separate boxes. This is your spell is complete. Let me show you how to make it, how to use it, this talisman. For example, you are a boy, agree to girlfriend, they make it boxes and with numbers. Your name Alhub, your name, your mother name Alahub, lover name and lover mother name. This talisman is your complete with names. How to use it, this talisman? This talisman is used, for example, make it talisman, tie it around your neck. Second, make a talisman under the weight, and third, make a talisman bury in the grave, and fourth, make a talisman tie it to a tree. So the best talisman in the world. Please share my video on your friends and please contact me on my WhatsApp number if you want to do this work me.